So the user configuration files, the location is a /etc plus passwd file. You can use the tail command, either you can use the cat command to display this particular file. If you want to display the specific username, so you can use the pipeline and then use the grep command to display the result related to the student inside the file. Another is password are stored in a shadow file, so you can check the sudo file by using the cat command or the tail command as well, whatever you want. Similar, there is a 3 commands. Useradd command is used to create a user accounts and saved in a etc passwd and the shadow files. You can check here, add user command has been used, add user and student name, adding the user, and you will provide some password here, new password. And both time when you type the password, it will not display on the screen. So don't be panic, type your password, again type the same password and hit enter. Okay, usermod command is used for the modification of the existing user. Userdel command is used for the deleting any user. So useradd command can be used with the see any specific comment. If you want to write the comment expiry, like you are creating a new user, so you can set the expiry date. And -d command is used for the displaying the settings. Either you can check the settings inside the etc and passwd. So whatever the comment you will write, the comment will display here. So I hope you can use this and you can do this practical by your own, because this is accessible for you. And in a demonstration, you can use the useradd commands, and later on you can use the add user command and display your content inside the passwd and shadow. Passwd content related to the new user and shadow will display the content related to stored the hashed password related to the user. Okay, user mode command can be modify the user mode, like user mode -c, writing the content, and we have done some other options. Okay, here is a one more command, and this is very good command, which is use the chage. Chage actually use the description, and also you can, this is the short form of the change plus age, aging of the user. User aging means how long the user will be aged, and what will be the password, when the expiry of the password, what is the length of the password, minimum length, maximum length, minimum days, maximum days, any warning will be displayed, or the expiration and L. So why these are required? For the security purpose. Security purpose means like you cannot use the password having the less than 12 characters, or the character between the 18 to 12. And the minimum days means minimum days is a 2. Before the changing the password, within the 2 days you cannot change the password again. If you will take it 20, so it means before the 20 days you cannot change your password. And maximum -m, capital M means maximum time, like I have defined the maximum time 60 days. So after the 60 days you will have to change your password. You will have to assign new password for your, and also it will display the warning. Warning time means like 55. On the days of the 55, it will start to displaying the warning, like please change your password, your expiry date is near, about this. If you want to lock the account, you can use -e option for the locking account. So let's check about the change commands and their options. So I am going to log in as a sudo, and here clear and cd everything. And here I am going to run the chage command, chage command, but I need to first check out all the options. So change the last day password means how many times you have set the last password you cannot use. Expiration date of the account, when the account will expire. And other information you can use -h option. And if you want to use the inactive, if you want to do the login inactive, so it will be the inactive list. For the example, I am going to use the chase -l and then it's 203, which I have created some time before. So here you can see the password expires never, password inactive never, account expires never, maximum number of the days, minimum number of the days, number of the days warning before the password expires is 7, right? So I want to set the maximum days, so I can use the chase -m. I am going to use the -m. -m is a 2 days and -m is a 60 days, and then give the name of the user is student 03 and hit enter. So now I will display the information, so you can see the 2 and 16 has been changed. If I want to set the account expiry date, like any date I can use. So whenever I will use the expiry date, I will use the -e, and I will have to provide the expiry date in this like. So I am going to set the expiry date by using the -e option. -e expiry date, and in a July 20 and 2023. So actually I don't know how to set this, so I am going to take the help if the help is available. So it must be written like this in this. This is the option where we can use this option. Okay, so I am going to paste here. So this is the option which I can use this, and here I need to define the year and month, whatever. Either I can use the plus 80 days. So still I am not able to do that, because yeah, I have done. So let's check about the -l option, which will display the information. So it is expiry on the November 2180 days by today. Okay. So if you want to inactive the password, so you can set. So all these commands is used by the chage. Okay, got it guys? Another is a whoami id. I have told you already, but this is the file which is actually called cat/etc and login.defs. Here is a configuration control which is defining the login package. When the new user will be login, so if you want to every time when user will be login, so you can display here the password maximum size, minimum size, and maximum size you can add it here in this file. And once you will add this file, by default when the new user will be created, automatically the minimum password, maximum password, warning age will be set automatic. Okay, so that is the reason it is a configuration file which is used.